we are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced country names too, some of the most mispronounced country names and city names in the world, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you say it? In British English it is pronounced as Afghanistan. Afghanistan, a mountainous landlocked country in South Asia. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as Afghanistan. Afghanistan in American English, or Afghanistan in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the name of the capital city of Afghanistan and more country and city names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.